Westchester Day School, Kita Zion Gemara. This is Rabbi Knapp. We are beginning the 10th parak of Masechet Pesachim, the Mishnayot with Mishnah Aleph, parak Arvei Pesachim, famous Mishnayot, hopefully familiar to us from the Seder, as the bulk of the Seder of the Haggadah really does come from these Mishnayot. I'm going to read the first parak, the first Mishnah with you, just once. Just circle any words that you may not know. I hope most of these words you do know, some you may not. Let's just circle the words you do not know, and then I'll read it again a second time and give some explanation. At the end of this Mishnayot learning, you will also be asked to answer a few questions, so please have, in addition to this Mishnah in front of you, please also have a pen and a paper. The Mishnah begins, Arvei Pesachim samuch lemincha lo yochal adam ad shetechshach ve'afilu ani shebiyisrael lo yochal ad shayasev v'lo yifchatu lo mi'arba kosot shel yayin ve'afilu min hatamchoi. So let's start again. The Mishnah says, Arvei Pesachim, on the eve of the Pesach, says it in Lashon Rabim, Arvei Pesachim, the evenings of Pesach, more than one, Samuch lemincha, close to Mincha, lo yochal adam, a person should not eat, ad shetechshach, milashon chashecha or choshech. A person should not eat until it gets dark. Va'afilu ani shebi Yisrael, and even a poor Jewish person, lo yochal, he should not eat, ad sheyasev, milashon heseba. He should not eat until he reclines. He leans. As we know, the mitzvah is to lean on Pesach night. And the last halacha of the Mishnah, v'lo yifchatu lo milashon pachat. And they should give him they should give to that person no less me'arba kosot shel yayin, of the 4 cups of wine. He should receive at least 4 cups of wine. Va'afilu min hatamchoi. And even if he collects tzedakah, he's so poor again, he's an ani, even if he collects tzedakah from the tamchoi. This tamchoi, what is the tamchoi? Rashi and the Mefarshim explain that the tamchoi is the ani sheba aniyim, the poor of the poor. That even if he doesn't have enough money to buy 2 meals for this day, he should receive from the tzedakah enough money to buy 4 cups of wine for himself for the Seder. So the most poor individual should receive money for the purpose of Dalet Kosot. A couple questions. Let's have 5 questions on this Mishnah. Number 1, what does Samuch lemincha mean? Number 2, please refer back to the Mishnah sheets if you need help with these questions. How many times does this Mishnah say lo yochal, one should not eat? Why? Number 3, with regards to whom does the Mishnah say specifically lo yochal? Why do you think specifically him? Why specify him? Why would the Mishnah say this person? Number 4, what else does the Mishnah tell us about this person specifically? And lastly, what I think is the most important question, what is one question of your own on this Mishnah? Please bring in this piece of paper tomorrow into class. This will serve as the basis for our conversation about this Mishnah and even the Gemara, because your questions probably will be the questions of the Gemara. I look forward to learning with you tomorrow.